Hi everyone, in this video let's talk about the deadlock prevention in operating system. What is a deadlock? A deadlock is a situation where two or more processes are stuck waiting for each other forever. It happens when four conditions hold at the same time. The conditions are mutual exclusion, hold and wait, no preemption, and circular wait. To prevent a deadlock, we simply make sure that at least one of these conditions never happens. Let's go through them one by one. First one is the no preemption. This means once a resource is allocated, it can't be taken away. To prevent a deadlock, we allow preemption. If a process is waiting, we take resources back from others and give them to the one that needs it. And the next one is the mutual exclusion. This means only one process can use a resource at a time. In many cases, we can't avoid this. Like when a printer is being used, but some for resources, we can design a system to allow sharing, and that helps prevent deadlock. And the next is hold and wait. This happens when a process is holding one resource and waiting for another. We can prevent this by making sure a process requests all the resources it needs before it starts. If it can't get everything at once, it waits and doesn't hold anything. And finally, circular wait. This is when the processes are waiting in a circle. To prevent this, we can assign a number to each process and make sure every process requires a resource in a particular order, always from low to high. This breaks the circle. So, by breaking any one of these four conditions, we can prevent a deadlock before even it starts. Yes, thank you for listening.